Hi all, I'm Jordan, a product manager here at Sigma, and today I'm going to show off using Cortex Code with Sigma computing skills. A quick background, Cortex Code is essentially Snowflake's coding agent. We're shipping a set of Cortex Code skills for Sigma, so now when data engineers are doing work in Snowflake, they can manage everything Sigma in one workflow. So you can see here that I've got the Sigma plugin loaded. It gives me skills for everything like authentication, creating a data model, updating a data model, building workbooks, all the stuff you'd normally have to do in the Sigma UI. So let's say I'm a data engineer. I just added a new orders table to Snowflake. I can see that here by saying, what tables are in my default schema? I want to create a data model on top of the orders table using the right columns, key metrics, and a relationship to my customers table. So I just describe what I want. And watch what happens. CoCo will authenticate with the Sigma API, discover the actual column names from Snowflake, compose the full API request with the metrics and the relationships, validate it against the API, and submit it. And then I've got a live data model within Sigma. I can go and open this to see it in the Sigma UI. And here I have my data model with my orders and customer tables and some key metrics. And now the real payoff, building a workbook. I can just ask CoCo to do it for me. So I'll add in this prompt. And it's using the build workbook skill. We'll give CoCo a second to work here. It finds the data model, reads the right reference docs, drafts the API calls, runs validation on the formulas, and then posts it to create the workbook. Great, so the workbook's created. I can go see it in Sigma. You can see my executive dashboard with a region filter, KPIs, trends month over month, and a breakdown by different dimensions. So the thing I'm most excited about here is that data engineers never have to leave their workflow. You can add a table, get a data model, build a dashboard quickly, you just describe it, and it's built. We're really excited about this integration and working closely with the Snowflake team to make building in Sigma from CoCo an amazing experience. Thanks for watching.